Hello learners, welcome back to the BSMA Group Social Science discussion. The course content creation under NAHEB Component 2. This is subject Management Information System and we are discussing Unit 3rd. So far we have discussed about different areas in Unit 3. In Unit 3 of ABM 514, we have studied about the Functional Information System introduction, then areas application in HRM, finance, production, material and marketing management. Today we are going to discuss about the integration of Functional Information System. I am Vivek Vyas, working as Assistant Professor at Institute of Agribusiness Management, Swami Keshwanand, Rajasthan Agriculture University, Bikaner, Rajasthan. As we already studied about this thing, there is different definition we have applied throughout our study and previous videos also. We discuss about the management, we discuss about information system, about MIS or management information system. Today we are going to discuss about management information system integration. As management is function of integrated nature, similarly in the management information system the nature of overall system is integrated, where outcome of one system or subsystem is used by another department or unit as input for the other system or subsystem. It means if one organization doing something, it will be useful for another department as well. Within one organization, different departments help each other to make efficient system. There is one example already shared here. Database of human resource management is also used by finance department to calculate financial requirement of salary and other heads. Similarly, sales department database is used by HR department for calculating different overheads for sharing financial sections. So here we are very clear about this thing that until unless different departments work in a sync and integration, we cannot take a right decision. And if right decision at right time decision organization could take, it will increase their organizational efficiency. That is the basically purpose of MIS. Now we'll move further. We can see here the integrated MIS can be seen like this, where integrated MIS encompasses every departmental function, maybe it finance, HR, logistic, maintenance, sales and distribution, quality management, material management, manufacturing, strategic and operational planning. So we can see here that different factors and different departments of any organization work in integration with the help of MIS will increase efficiency of an organization. If we see, there are different advantages and challenges also. Let us focus on advantages first. Number one, it improves organizational efficiency. How it improves organizational efficiency? Because in organization, one department do something and it is shared by all, so that repetition of work would not be there. It also reduce, because of the reduction of repetition of the work, the cost already reduced. Then resource sharing is also another way to reduce the cost of the system. Then easy and efficient communication across the system is facilitated by integration. Then supporting strategic decision making or policy making. Once we know in integration way that how system is impacted by different factors of MIS, it can be taken as the pathway for the future development of an organization. Let us focus on the challenges posed by integration of functional information system. Number one, coordination. Because system is run by human being, there are human factors and there are interpersonal and organizational factors which also impact the coordination. So coordination is a factor which has to be dealt very carefully while integrating the function. Then system infrastructural development, it need investment. So the financial investment, it also poses some challenges with the with reference to the organizational resources. If financial resources availability is limited, there is a serious threat to integrate the function. Then information security, because there is a security threat available with different kind of information, there is a serious challenge with the information security. Then dependency on the system. If we are integrating the system, definitely everyone have to work in a sync. So there is dependency on system may be considered as a big challenge for organization. Then system bottleneck may affect adversely. Definitely if there is a bottleneck in any organization, it will impact the organizational efficiency irrespective of whether everyone want to do individually good, but if there is a bottleneck, there is a challenge with organization. Now if we discuss about the conclusion, we can see here integration of functional information system are required in order to improve efficiency of an organization. With help of integration, quick decision making, efficiency, improvement of database management, communication, and in other areas of management decision could be achieved. Organizations who strategically designed and integrate their management information system are able to identify the situation better and could take right decision at right time, which become the base of their success. So definitely without integrated information system, the efficiency of MIS would not be that effective. That is why, because in the age of ICT and application, information technology, and different additional tool available for the decision makers, this MIS become most powerful tool for any manager to take the right decision at right time. We can see here that different references has been used for this preparation of this material. You can follow these books, as well as there are different ebook is also available, open resources by different universities also used for that. Thank you so much. You can contact me anytime for this purpose. My website and my email address has been given here. Thank you so much. I hope you have gone through this subject very thoroughly. We discussed about the functional information system, and within functional information system we studied different functions of organization, how they being facilitated by MIS, like finance, marketing, HR, and operation with and material management. And we also discuss about the integration of all these functions. I hope this discussion and this total study material would be very useful for you to have a basic idea about this MIS and functional MIS. And I hope you have gone through the different queries, test, and different quiz after the videos and in my study material. I hope you all get benefit out of that also. Thank you so much.